to like make a line
Yes.
holding it?
Just line. Because there are two types of watercolor painting. One is wet and then one is on dry. So wet is you
I don't have water.
I'll place water on it, but you watch me first. So on this side, you have to wet the whole paper.
Ooh.
I'll just do this part so you can play on this part, huh?
Yay.
So let's say I'm just going to use one color. What color do you want to play with? Purple or violet?
I don't know.
What we do is, you know when I taught you on the first lesson, right, you use lines? You do that exercises also here. Right?
At least I can do pink.
Yeah. So if you want it to spread, add more water. Okay, I'll add more. Is it cold? You remember some of the lines like the swirls? The swirls here.
Yeah. That's really good.
Yeah. And then on the last. And then two more here. Two sets. And then what's the next line? The zigzag, right?
Yeah. But you forgot the one.
Yeah, that one. I'm going to put it there.
Then the other one like that.
Ah, you remember, ah? You have good memory. What side?
Isa pa kanina.
Okay. I remember you love this line, right? The swirls.
But now I think I like this.
Because it's easy. And then
The
zigzag.
swirls hurts my hand.
Because the swirl needs your patience more.
Or I think the one that is more easy is this one.
Yeah, the line, the straight line.
Because you just have to. And this one is dry.
Yeah, in the dry one, you also have to do this one, the whole paper.
Yeah. The whole paper?
Hard?
All of these?
And then, if you want to spread it, you add just more water, just a little bit water, oh?
But when I put water, it's like when you use this, it's like too many water.
So sometimes you have to use alternatively. So for the control. Okay? See? This is what happens if you put water first and then you add another. When you do your lines and then you put more water, it spreads and it
But
makes this
here?
effect. Yeah. But in here, you don't add water, just the lines. Okay. You understand that? Okay, so you fill this up. This one is with water. This one is dry on dry.
Okay.
Okay. I'll put water here.
Okay. make it this here.
Hmm?
I'll make it here.
But first, let's wet this first.
Okay.
You use this one since you put your colors there. You try to wet the whole page.
The whole page.
Yeah. Yeah, evenly. Except this one, just not this line. Make sure you don't leave white spots.
Nanay,
O, di ba? Where's your ano?
because I already put it with paint.
Ah, okay. So, we will
Para lang
another
malagyan
one.
niya po muna
No,
ng
no,
first
no.
base. Actually, you can also use this bigger brush, oh. This fan brush. You're not yet done. This one, though.
Oh, that's more better.
Yeah. Then while you're doing that, I'm going to get some flowers that look like violet, ha?
Okay. I already wet it.
Okay. After that, you're going to do the whole process that I showed you.
Like this one?
This one with this one, okay? You can use each of this one if you feel like it's already spreading too much.
Okay.
So
I
you...
think I'll start with this.
Okay. With painting, you can do slowly but surely. Okay. You call me again when you're done, na?
Okay. Oh no. Like that, like that.
It's okay. If it's different, you can just use this one on the other side.
Okay. Okay.
Kita na mo muna sa pictures, ha? Baka naman pa namin.
ito pa.
Done?
Fill it up.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Which is more harder, the drawing or the painting?
I think the painting.
Mm-hmm. Why?
Because you have to dip it at the paint.
Mm-hmm. But for you, which is more fun?
The drawing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, up until here lang. Okay. Almost there.
Kaya ng world. Kaya okay na tayo nakalapay na kay Day. Patayin mo na lang. Tapos
Can I use some?
Okay.
Done.
Okay. So under, you remember also I taught you shading on our first drawing, right? So in painting, we also have to apply that. So what we do is when we want to make it lighter is you add water. So we'll make 5 lines.
Right?
Yeah, 5. You can use other brushes if you look.
Gusto ako dito ka ha. Ready din.
Whoa.
Okay pa.
Nice.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Mm-hmm. So you look, ha?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. So in watercolor, you always have to start with the lightest, ha?
Okay.
And when you start with the lightest, you add more water. With watercolor, you can't be afraid with the water. Look, oh, this is light, right? To make it a bit darker, you add just a bit of color again. Yeah.
Later na lang yung
Wait.
See?
There.
Continue. See, there's a difference. Light, this is lighter, a bit darker. And then we go back.
So balik tayo ulit sa ganyan. Change.
Pero, you see there's no difference, right?
Yes.
So, I'll go back.
Yeah, there's difference now.
So
This
now,
one looks too light.
yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, you have to differentiate and
This
add. Okay. Then add more, right?
Yeah.
Adding more.
Back again.
Is there a difference?
This one is too light.
Too light, so I add more. You there a difference now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go
Wait,
here.
Yeah.
I can use this one as a whole because this is the darkest now.
Yeah. It's also
Add more?
different.
Does it have or more?
No. There.
There. Now?
Yeah.
Can you do it here?
I'll try.
Okay. I'll put more colors now.
Here, I'm just going to use this one.
Then, remember the lightest, you put more water. And then the darker, you add more color.
Okay.
You put your palette closer to you. So you can understand more.
Puti na lang, na-message mo ako kahapon. Nakala ko Tuesday pa rin.
Wait, I'm just going to make one.
I'll make lines for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 5 squares.
Where? I just need to
Kali, could you look at camera? Here. 1, 2, 3. Just a bit.
a bit.
Do you think that's too dark or light?
It's too dark.
You put more water. Or you move to another circle if it's too dark. Make it a bit darker.
Too light.
Too light? Okay, add more. Just a bit. There's a difference now.
Yeah.
Okay, move to the next.
Too light.
Yan. Next. Do you think there's a difference? No.
No.
You add more? And then on the last part, you can just use the color without adding the
This one?
water. Yeah. The difference, right?
Yeah. But not really. I'll put a little.
But there's the gradient. You see the gradient, right? You would do the same here, but this time with lesser water. Okay?
There. Nanay,
Wow. So meaning ko, ano lang pala, no? So
Same
water.
process of this one, but only the brush in your palette.
Okay.
Because this one is wet, right? We use the technique of wet on wet.
I want to use my.
You want to use different color on this one, or
Yeah.
still purple?
I want to use different colors.
Okay.
I want to use dark green.
Okay, but if we are going to use different color, I'm going to put some of the paint back. Because we're going to clean this up. See? Oops. That's what I do. We won't waste.
I thought you were gonna put it with a brush.
Sometimes I put this like this. This. Yes.
You have to use a smaller brush.
And then I'll wash it for you, huh?
Okay.
You prepare your color. Where's the lid? Can you close this one?
Okay. And put it back. And
your color? Green? Complementary color, ah. Green and purple is complementary in the color wheel.
Oh, no. It have oil.
Oh, they have oil on it?
Yeah.
You have to mix it. Put it back.
I think that's not good. But how do we mix it inside?
You close the lid. Give me the lid after this one.
Here.
The oil is for the tube to not get dry. To keep the paint wet. Now, whenever you open your paints, do this. Shake it. And then pinch it. And then
I don't have any more.
now. Much better, right?
Yeah.
So you do the same here. Okay?
Okay.
You wash this first?
Yeah.
Sabi, parang kang abnormal. Sabi, ayoko din kausap. Sabi ko lang, ayoko din kausap. Di ba ito, sinad na lang. Kasi babae may kasal niya sa 14. Sinad ko na to
Will
kay
you
Tuy.
do the same here?
Bakit doon na? Ay,
Same.
ganit.
Do you want to start with you?
Sinimahit ako kay Ari namin.
Here.
Siyempre, iba
Okay.
naman sa kanya yun. Kasi
Green is
sintra
that?
board ang gawin niya.
Green.
Para sa sintra board.
Green.
9.
9.
I could just put a guide for you, no? 2.
I think it's going to be more easy if I start like doing
Yeah.
one like that.
And then I'll also make this one, huh?
Okay.
For the green.
O si Kat, may copy nila Kat. Kasi syempre ito daw workshop ng tao. Ang sintra board, parang makikita mo sa mga guests.
But with this one, you remember the exercise that we did with the first one, right? You choose from this one and then you put, okay? Since you know how to do this one, you do this one on this one, and then on the under, you choose from these ones to make a gradient too.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to choose this one. Like
The swirl again?
No,
Okay.
this one.
Okay.
Like I said.
Okay. So you continue, ha? Wait. First.
Can you put the box?
Yeah, I would. And then the zigzag. You could continue this one, huh?
Okay.
And then the box. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And you forgot
Oh, yeah.
the swirl. Wait,
Thank you.
this is the swirl.
Yeah. Continue.
Masarap naman, no? Yung plano ko, pag ito sa makakalala ko.
Eat. You eat something.
I'll put a label here, ha?
Yeah.
Wet
Ano
on wet.
natin kanina, wayan mo, kid, sa sheep, sa kalataw. Kasi ang Pinto, meron daw horse. Tapos pwede ng sheep. Ano kulang-kulang maaral.
Baka malagyan ng paint yung ano madali.
para sa last kanina. Tama ko sa'yo. Sila na mag-usap mo rin. May naman ako. Patay mo na.
While you're doing that, which one do you like better? This one or this one?
I think.
This one, right?
Okay, I'm done.
And then you do this one and this one. Same process.
Do this one?
Yeah.
Ay mo ba?
How to make it
Diba,
light?
With water still. But this time, the paper is drier, right?
Hindi.
Yeah.
So it's going to be more fuller.
Siya.
You can use the brush that you used, or this one, the brush that I used.
I use it.
Mm-hmm.
Diba meron itong ano?
Good with water.
Mm-hmm. And then remember, you do the same line, but this time you use what you choose from here,
Okay. I'll choose this one.
Mm-hmm. But you do it under. This one first. Really light.
Really light.
Mm-hmm.
This
That's darker. Or you put more water.
Tama pala talaga pala ano. Buti na lang kang bumuli ka na pa.
Ang nagpalit na naman yun.
No schedule no.
Okay.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Or then,
Yeah, you should have been this one, right? But you can also put that there. It's okay. To make it easier for you, you make a light here. This is light. Make it a bit dark.
Isang araw ko pa yan napansin.
And then darker. So you wouldn't have to mix and mix and mix, right? And then here, more darker. And then you don't have to mix with this one on the last.
okay.
Okay? Try.
Tubig gusto mo?
I'll clean this. Maybe the one that I made is going to be dark.
You can still make this lighter look. Oh. I'll add more water.
Deep siya.
But you cannot see.
O sige mo.
The lines, right?
Yeah.
You can still see it a bit.
Okay. I'll try that. I'm going to use this.
Ah, kasi may tubig na sa loob.
Yeah. So you just squeeze it.
Okay, gets ko na.
See, you squeeze it and there's the water. You don't need to dip it.
Okay, I'll get another picture.
Oh, this is the black.
Wala totoong paint.
Ano siya ba?
Nag-change ang team.
Hindi ko alam.
I think there's no difference. I'll put the nose.
There's no difference.
Yeah.
You add more water if there's no, or you add more color.
I want to add more color.
See? Under, I'm going to make a demo for you. Continue this one first.
Okay. I'm going to use this. I'm going to put more.
Continue.
I'm going to use this one.
Mm-hmm.
But there's no difference. I'll just put it down.
Okay, sorry.
Now,
Cannot find the...
to clean it up. To clean this up, I want to use paint this one. And this one. I'm done.
Done. So you remember, this is the lightest, right? You picked this one as the line, right? Look. It's light, right? And then, this is the darker color that you make, diba? Put it here. Too dark? May tissue po kayo?
Pero well,
Okay lang po.
ano pala din.
Ay, may dry po kayo? Much better po pag dry.
Ito, oh. May nakita. Sa bag ko.
Ako, meron na. Sige na. Okay.
Ano lang pala?
To save your color, if it's too dark, you use tissue. Look. See? 9. I'm just doing the half, so you do the other half, ha?
Okay.
Still no difference?
Yeah.
Go back. Now, there is. This is the darker one, right?
Yeah. There's no
No difference. Add more color. More? Na meron?
difference.
Okay. And then you keep doing that. No difference. Add more.
Para lang malaman niyo yung shading.
Opo.
Paano mag-use ng
Yes.
water.
No difference. And then we go back from here. You add water.
Para maging light siya.
You always remember you add water, or
Water changes.
see? Now there's difference. And then you just use this one. Meron pa ba?
Hindi, yung nakita na sa adventure.
And now you use this one, the darkest here. Now you know. No difference?
Yeah.
And then you add more water from here. There is.
Now it's like the same as this one.
And then you add more color. It's tricky, right?
Yeah.
But you'll get used to it when you're painting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you add more water from here. Now there is.
Yeah.
Continue.
Now I use the lighter.
Is it harder? Is paint harder?
Yeah.
Because you need to go back and forth, but you need to also be patient with the wetness, right?
Yeah. This one.
You tell me when you're done, ha?
Okay. Then I'm gonna use little there. Now this different. Now after that, I would use this. There's no difference.
Pwede mo na pala ma-access yan? Pwede mo pala din ma-access yan. Where is
Different.
the...
Okay, now darker. Okay, now there's no difference. So put water. the same like this. I have to put water here. Not working. Okay, now that's
Done?
not
Not yet.
yet.
Almost.
I'm still going to do the darkest.
Okay.
And I'm done.
Okay.
Oh no. No, 3 of them looks the same. Okay, so I'm just going to put more dark here.
Mm-hmm.
Darker. Not working. Okay, darker, darker, darker. Okay, I'm just going to... It's not working. How
Which
about
do you think is not no difference at all?
3 of them.
3 of them?
Yeah.
This one is already good. You add more color to this one, and then use the pure color to this one. Do not use water on this one, okay?
I'll use more water here.
You can also do that one.
I'll try to use a tiny water.
Yeah.
But when that looks the same as
Mm-hmm.
this. Okay, now that's it.
Mm-hmm. Much better?
Yeah, now I'm done.
Okay. Now,
Now,
I have another paper here.
oh no. You see that leaf just grow faster? I want to do, I wish that, wait, I think it's not a leaf. I think it's a butterfly. That's a butterfly, the one that we see.
Oo. Pero yung feather niya parang malapit na siya mamatay. Yung feather niya natanggal na.
Because of the wind.
Yan ako muna yung exercise. So, you see this is also purple, right?
Yeah,
And
Is
has
that-
a little bit of red.
yeah.
You
Are you going
take,
to copy that?
yeah, but with watercolor this time.
It's harder.
No, don't
But it's not going to be harder anymore because it's just you're just going to use this one, the gradient. You see? I'm just going to make you use one color. Okay.
Only that one, we're not going to add.
Only
Or
this
that
one.
one.
Only this one.
Okay.
This is just for the wind, you know. But which one do you want? This one or this one?
This one.
This one. Why?
Because
It has more darker. You don't like the lighter?
A little bit hard.
Would you want to just have it here or you want it here?
I want it there.
Here. Here. I'll give you another paper. Hindi siya hanginin. Ano na tumatalog siya?
That clay.
Yeah. We'll be using that for stamping. But we'll do this one first.
Like this.
Yeah.
Or that like that.
Yeah.
Stamping art.
Tayo kaya siya. Okay. This one.
That's big.
I'm just going to give you the smaller one. You think you're good? But would you want to use the bigger one? No. Is it scary?
Saan yan sa ano din?
Sa... Ito po, national din po ito.
Watercolor paper.
Ano naman po to? 300 GSM. Pang oil, mixed media paper na po siya. This time, I'm going to paint with you.
But I'm not... Wait, give me that. I'm done with the one
Ay, wow! Naglagay ka na ng details mo ah. Galing. Did you
Tinapos sa
sign it?
kahapon. Hala, nakalimutan mo. Sige,
sign
sign
it
mo.
later after this.
Ayun ang tinapos sa mula kagabi.
Patungan mo yan.
That's why.
Gusto mo patungan to? Ay, hindi kasi magko-color sila.
Are you comfortable with just the paint or you want to sketch it first?
I think I want to sketch it first. So I
Okay.
can just color it.
Pencil.
You have the lightest pencil? This is the lightest I have. B. B is this one.
Meron ka na po.
Oh, you wanna use yours? Letter B. Yeah. With no number. Or 2B. The lowest number.
Okay.
Or maybe that one. You can also use that one.
Bago ba?
Mabago siya.
Paano magbabago?
Oh, this one?
2B. So, Kali, imagine this is your whole paper. So, I want you to make a big leaf. So, this is the paper, right? So, look at me, ah. This is how I'm going. Yeah, look. Kali, this is too big.
Oh. Oh, that's broken. It's already smashed inside.
Okay na to?
Yeah, it's the ginto is smashed inside na.
Huwag mo, maawa ka.
I already gamit it. It's not
Really
working.
lightly.
Really.
Now, let's
Maybe
move this
it's
one.
spill.
Yeah.
Really
Nice. See? Okay. So, you can make it a bit just here, up until
I can do
here.
it here like
Maybe I'll
Until here.
give you a sign. Here, up until here.
okay.
That way. You look at your subject, ah. Really lightly glide. Yeah. Then make it a bit fatter. Okay, continue.
Actually, are we going to do drawing after this, or are we just going to do painting?
No, after this one, I'm going to play with you with stamps.
Oh, okay.
This is just a starter for your painting.
Make a scene.
Observe, observe, observe. Ano ba itsura niya ng vein niya?
Ilang po. Kung ano din po. Papakitaan ko naman po siya ng steps eh.
Ang ganda talaga ng watercolor, no? Watercolor paper.
I think pencil can
So you have green here, right? When you're looking at your subject, it has greens as well, right? Green and red. If you're looking at it, green, red, purple. It plays, right? You see? No. You look at this one. It's the same, but just as small. You see green, and then this is purple, and then it goes out as red, right? So on the first layer,
but there is not the same. Oh, I
this is
see.
yeah,
Down.
yeah. So this is your.
But we need the darkest green
So
color.
we'll use lighter green first. This is how you play with watercolor. I'll fill it up with green first. So this is the wet on wet technique. Using the first base is green.
Are you going to use wet or are you going to use dry?
Both. Both. Look ha, you watch me. See, this is the lightest, right? Watch me ha.
Are we going to do like the both, like green, like wet and dry? Is
Yes.
this wet and this is dry?
No, we're going to combine the two techniques together. Okay, now we have the first base green. Could you do that on your part too? Here, or you use your own brush. Remember, very light.
Where's the light? This
You mix another one. So put one here and then you put more water.
Mga boss pa kung magpapicture.
And then you add the lines.
I just follow this line.
Yeah, your lines.
Alexander the Great. Pa kasi magbubat ako eh. You're gonna make ano ba? Full armor sana.
See? You?
Yung sa akin na yung sa mag-video last time.
Okay na yan.
Si LG yung gumawa mostly.
Natingnan mo.
Hindi siya pumasok ngayon eh.
Ha?
Ngayong SEM.
Ayun nga. Hindi na nga yung sumasagot sa mga message. Papapasa na ako.
You observe. And then you observe mo to, oh, para real talaga. Paano ni just ginawa yan? Maliit lang ba yan? Mahaba talaga siya kang, oh. You observe.
Because it's not the same. It's not the same with the paper.
Hoy, the same yan, oh. You're following the paano ginawa ni Jesus ang leaf na to, mahaba.
Pero next month ko na bayaran.
You observe.
Maybe ayun.
May purple siya. Ay, purple at saka green pala yan.
I think it's not red. I think it's like a dark pink.
Yeah. Then you go back again with the darker light.
Kanina nakita ko pa siya sa ano.
Going up.
Kumakain siya ng
Could you do it?
pares. Yung sa gilid. Hindi ko na lang pinansin. Sinilas na.
Really light, huh?
Really light.
Go up and up. You follow me, ha? I'll follow the lines that you made na lang, ha? Okay, from here. Is it okay if I do this? Are you fine with me doing this one? This is light, right?
Then I teach you.
Sarili, gusto mo?
No.
Parang hindi ko stop talaga siya.
It's not gonna stop. It's just gonna make more.
Hindi siya talaga ma-clean ang...
Kabatch. Pero nagulat na ako na dito kasi ko rin
Girl, you spin it in my eye.
source nila.
Dami na nilang naging kapatid.
It's for not the eye. This is.
Try? You use a bit of bigger brush na lang.
Okay.
Maybe rounded brush. No, not the one. It's too big. You won't be able to form your...
How about this one?
Maybe that one actually. If you're going to hold this one, you hold it like this. Can I see? Careful. You start from here. You start from this line and then you go upward.
Okay.
Okay. See?
We're using color.
We add more. I'm going to mix more.
That's too tiny.
It's okay. See? On the first, when I was teaching you earlier, right? Very light and then you add more colors until there's darker
Are you
parts.
putting red?
No, still purple. Mas maganda kasi pala nito, no? Apo, mas
kontrolado
tipid.
po.
Oo, mas tipid. Kasi yung dark na, oo nga, konti ang ilalagay.
Yeah, that's nice.
Kalain mo yan. Again.
So try this one when you're doing this. Can you try it on this paper? On this paper. That's your paint. Yeah. How about this one? Could you? I see. On the other side. You look at my hand. Can I see?
Sa paside.
So you watch. I'm using this line on my painting. Upward. Then you try on yours. Yeah. More. Yan. More. Okay. Yan. The other side niya. Ayan. So, ganito naman. Oh, you can also do that one. Flip, flip. Do you think watercolor is hard?
Hard pa rin, watercolor. Bakit? Wait, tingnan mo muna ang mga ano mo, mga galaw mo. Ay, side-side mo lang.
Yeah.
Para ang watercolor, water lang ang ginagamit mo. Pwede siya ma-change ang kanyang light. The color will depend sa water the amount of water. While sa color pen,
Mas maganda
diin mo siya. Yung pagdiin mo, yun yung nagbibigay ng light at
Ito
saka
naman,
dark.
sa kamay mo. Kaya yung sa mga drawing, pinapaano ko po talaga whole page. Para mas gumaan yung kamay.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi pagdating na po sa brush, mas magaan na.
Oo. So, makagawa ka ng light colors. Well, kung mabigat ang kamay mo, magiging dark siya. Oh.
Kaya po, ipinapauna talaga ang watercolor after.
Hannah, they're joking. They're not drawing it. They're just putting
Art
on
yan,
your time
yan
na
talaga
ilaw.
art. Kaya ka rin yung art. Wala naman design yun. Abstract ang design. Oh.
Madilim ganyan.
Ganda na. Oh.
Do you think na may difference ba? Or do you need to do a depth color? You see,
Darker
there's
color.
some of my parts are darker. You have to add some parts na darker. You mix red, blue, and green.
Red, green.
red, green, and that's done.
Para maging dark red. Red
Yes
and
po.
green.
Ito po ay tertiary. Pag pinaghalo mo na yung tatlong kulay na. If you're mixing, di ba?
Wait lang,
you
wait
mix
lang.
the primary colors.
Again. Kaya para ma-art sa word na tayo ka. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Di ba you mix the primary colors? Red, blue, and then
Yellow.
When you mix those, it becomes secondary, right?
Yeah.
And then on the secondary, if you mix all of them, it becomes tertiary. Which are the colors of the secondary?
Red,
No.
Secondary na.
Secondary is violet,
violet,
green,
green,
and
and
orange.
orange.
And when you mix those three all together, you mix orange and then yellow. Wait, asa na yung cheat code natin? Nalilito din po ako eh.
Yellow.
You mix those three. Let's go back. I'm trying to find you. I have your album here. Do you want to see your album? This is you. Yeah. So when you mix the secondary, it becomes tertiary. So when you mix red and orange, it becomes red-orange. When you mix red and violet, it becomes red-violet. Okay? When you mix yellow and orange, it becomes yellow-orange.
So, if you mix,
So if you mix yellow and green, it becomes yellow-green. Oh, it's just that you're just going to combine the both names of the colors.
Yellow.
Oh, that's tertiary.
okay.
So what we're doing is we're mixing green and purple. It's still the tertiary because you're mixing the secondary. Okay? As long as you're mixing both. But this is primary. It's like you know Trinity? Jesus, the Godhead. Ganon din yan.
Oo, same lang din. Get the Father, with the Son, with the Spirit. Okay, good.
You try to add some, but not all. Some parts lang. And if you want to look at this one, which is the darker parts, you add some here. Oh.
Are we gonna color it with the
You color some of the parts outside the look. Red. This is red, right?
Yeah.
I'll put red outwardly here. See? I'm outlining. You watch me first. This is light, right? In watercolor, you have to build up your colors. First is light, and then you just come back to it and add more colors.
Okay. Then what did
See? See? I'm adding more on the second layer for vibrancy. So it pops, right? Can I see on you?
I'm just going to make it that red.
Mm-hmm. That's purple. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Dapat light talaga ng
I-continue mo. Yan. Ito pakiconnect. Continue. You call me when you're finished, ha? I'm preparing your stumps.
I love you. Kailangan pala ng patience sa ano, no? Sa watercolor, no? No? Now we learn about kailangan talaga siya ng patience. Ang watercolor, ganun din siya, no? Kailangan mo din siya ng patience.
Apo. Mas ano po yung patience dito?
Oo. Tsaka kailangan mo talaga ng yung critical thinking na paano ko ma-form yung ganitong kulay. Paano siya yung water code, marami ba siya? Ikaw talaga mag-decide, no? May trial and error.
Yes po. Kaya importante po talaga yung sketching sa una. Para yung vision po nila na nakahasang na.
I think I want sketching more than
Halino, i-observe mo na. I-observe. Tingnan mo, i-observe mo yung ginagawa mo. Yan ang fina-follow mo. Ay, iarat ng oras, Lee. Hindi tayo play lang dito.
So, ano po pagkatapos ng watercolor niyan, pag-acrylic?
Tapos na, doon mag-edge ka na. Doon ka na sa edge.
Ayan na.
Mag-edging ka na.
Want me to start with your edge?
Yeah.
Very light.
Red and green.
And then
Wow.
right here.
So, kailangan mo talaga parang nag-experiment ka rin ng mga colors, no?
Yes po.
Galing.
And then sometimes if you're unsure, Kali, you have
This?
to... When you're unsure with your color, sometimes you have to have a spare paper on your side just to try it out before you put it on your final paper. Right? But this is your first painting with watercolor. Is this your first watercolor? No.
I already did a lot of watercolor painting.
Mm-hmm. So this is your side up.
Observe. Observe saan nakalagay ang red. Nakalampas ba siya? Hindi pa siya nakalampas. Galing, no? Tertiary blue. Ay, green at saka red. So, ito magiging ganito siya.
Ako. Magsisweep na siya pataas.
So, nasa side siya.
I think I will use like
Mm-hmm. And then on the side, I'll help you.
okay.
Green sa side. Red. Pero image yan talaga ng color. Itong greenish. Ano yung color? Greenish red?
Mm-hmm. Red violet, parang
Red
ganun
violet
po.
mo siya. Oo, yan.
Tapos may yellow green dito. Yan.
So nice. Ang line talaga siya lahat ka. Proportion, no?
Mhm.
Galing. Galing siya ka. Dito, galing talaga na. Dito sa proportion ng lines.
It's okay.
Detail. Red. And green. Tapos magiging purple siya sa taas.
I'll add more here, ha?
Okay.
Is it okay if I put
Yeah.
bigger, ano?
Mama, do you have tissue?
Ha?
Tissue.
Tissue.
At my bed. I have tissue.
Ayun, crazy pepper green pala din.
You're the one that put it,
Ah, sorry naman. Ayaw nga pala.
not me.
Sorry naman.
You're the one that's
dear.
crazy, right? There.
Apply with mine as well.
Sila ba naman ako? Grabe na po sa akin.
Observe, observe, observe.
Okay.
Saan ka na banda, dear?
There.
Okay, so observe. Sa side siya nabibigay ng red. Sa side siya naglalagay ng red. Parang ito ang dark green dito. Tapos may make siya ng red. Sa
Yes po.
end at saka end. So, pinaspread niya ginanon niya siya green. So, mga red niya nasa side lang. Itong end. Okay, observe ha.
You put it upward, ha? Upward. Ay, ayan na. May isa na din.
Oh, yun na sila. Hello.
Sige, mag-prepare na rin po ako.
Oo.
Continue na lang po yan. Hi, Zoe! I'll set up your table first, ha? Okay na ba nag-leg?
Ay,
Okay lang po, harami kayo yung table. Your classmate, oh.
Hello.
Hi.
Classmate.
It's your first time seeing her. But she's almost.
Almost done. You have your materials with you? You have your materials with you? Ito saan nilagay yun? Yung observe, going up. Up, Hindi siya babound. Down. One stroke up. Going up. Up. Going up siya. Ganun.
And your
Oh, yeah, naga.
and then you have what's that called? Colored pencils.
Ano nasabi?
I'm gonna leave next.
Ano nasabi?
I'm gonna go sit over here and work on my whatever I'm doing.
Go up. One stroke lang.
Kind of on your own. I'll sit here.
Oh.
Teacher, do what she wants to do. It's a pencil sharpener.
Kada kami cage sila.
Do you remember what I told you
Di wala.
Put it on the
Observe muna. Observe.
Okay. First, you prepare the table on your lap. Can I see? And then you bring out your sketchbook. Tawagin niyo lang po ako.
Oo, sige
Ano niya
po.
lahat?
Oo po. Alright, sa side.
Okay. Then your pencil.
Ha? O, sige, done na. Sige, done.
I'm already done with it.
Oh, this one, oh. Red pa.
Now with the group.
Red. Sa baba. The first special.
To try this one.
Tingnan mo. Ang goal mo is gagayahin mo to.
Ay, nanay. It don't need to be too same.
Why?
First time is not too same.
Ha?
First time is not too same.
Pero kung kaya mo naman gawin, oh, tingnan mo, observe mo.
I don't trust you.
Ha?
Don't trust me.
Don't trust you?
I will not trust you.
I trust you. No, trust me. Sipin mo na. Sipin mo na din.
Spin.
Tell me when you're finished. And then I'll prepare your sample. Kumusta ka, Kali?
Tapos na daw siya.
Tapos na?
Oo.
Yeah.
Okay. So next is, mag-sign ka. This is how I sign, no?
With the same?
Yeah. So it looks uniform. Okay? With your thinnest brush. This is my thinnest brush.
My thinnest brush.
Yeah.
I think this is my thinnest brush.
So this is how I sign here. Oh,
My thinnest brush.
oh yeah. I use that one.
I wonder why the whole cover.
See? I'm signing. And then the year today, the month, Feb 2026. You try to do it which way, here or here?
I'm gonna put that here.
Because it has more space, right?
I'm just gonna use dry paint to make it look
Mm-hmm.
so I can see more.
You sign? Call me again when you're done, ha?
Okay.
Huwag mo siya lumalapit.
Call me, ah?
Oh, may heart ko pang nalalaman, dear.
After that,
2:11.
bed. I have to eat. I have to put bed.
Bakit ako tinatanong mo? Abay, kung may masira siya dito.
Ano Kali? Tapos ka na?
Almost.
Wow, ang ganda naman ang sign mo, Kali. May heart.
Pa-heart sa Valentine's.
Because it's Valentine's.
Oh, Valentine's nga pala.
Not 2026.
11, lagyan mo 11 ngayon. 11, 1-1. Dalawang banda.
Where? Here.
No, dito side, sa tayo.
Is the one here or here?
1, 1, ganun. Always
side?
left, oo.
This side?
Oo. Diba, that's your left side. Sige, tama. Tama yan. Yan, good. Right here.
There.
Tapos na nasa baba ang 2026.
Kali, can you look at me? 1, 2, 3. Hello. Okay.
Done.
8.2 pa, dear.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Have to write the 8.2.
So where?
Ito nasa side, 8.2.
Done?
Done.
Good job.
Okay. I'm going to give you 2 clays. You can split it in half. What I want you to do is you go around this place, but be careful, ah. What you do, you come with me. I'm going to show you one. So, for example, Daddy, this texture, I want this to be stamped on the paper. I'm going to pour. And then now I have the pattern. I'll go back to the table. But you gather your pattern first. This one is your pattern, right? You bring out your sketchbook instead.
Sketchbook ko tayo.
This is your clay. Let's see if this will work. Because usually I use acrylic. Let's see if watercolor works on
I
the
also
pattern.
have a camera, okay?
Okay.
I think
Now?
some is going to be...
It's either I'm going to stamp it here, or what I'm going to do, or just stamp it right here. Will this work or no? Oh, it works. Let's see with this one.
Maybe it's here?
Yeah.
It's not... Where did you buy this?
This is my old clay.
This
Zoe, you call me when you're done, huh? Busy pa siya. Focused siya. Okay.
Work.
It won't work, but it will work with acrylic. Do you have acrylic or poster?
Here.
Prepare niyo lang po muna, ha?
Ah, sige, sure.
I'm already done preparing.
Okay. So, I gave you the clay, right?
Acrylic or mag-poster?
It's okay po. Kahit poster.
Ah, sige,
na
sige.
maganda po.
So, kuha ko, mag-ano na kami, maghanap na
I
kami.
want to find any color I want.
Yeah. You can use any color.
Yeah, that's use a brush.
Wala kang purple? Ay, wala ka pa. Wala ka pa. Kailan ka muna mag-ano?
Oh, yeah.
Mag-stamp muna natin.
I want to split it in half, sap it down.
Press mo muna. Clay lang yan.
This clay.
Sige, when what do you use the 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, and go.
So this is clay for my picture. So I'm just going to, I want to stamp any kind of design I want. I'm just going to find a design that I want.
Okay na. Ay, wow. Isa pa. Isa pa. Lagyan mo isa pang ano kaya? How about isa pang? Ito, mga leaves. Meron siyang leaves. So, ang ganda. Wow!
I'm your artist.
Oh, ang galing ko. Ang ganda ng design mo.
We have 2 classes of printing. Ito po print stamping na po yung tawag dito.
Okay.
Pag sa mga ano. Parang ganito po yan. Pero ito na po mga stamps na po talaga ito na ginagawa sa mga museums. Di ba kasi gusto niya nga po ng mga letter cards na ginagawa. Ito bigay ko na lang po kay dito.
Paano ito nag-stamp? Thank you po.
Ano po ito eh? Yung wood carving na po yan.
Wait, what?
Tapos ginanyan niya
Oo.
sa kabilang.
Baka ano lang po yan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, talaga?
Opo. Ito po kasi pang bata, yung mga clay.
Where's my sleeve?
Meron bang post office dito sa AB? Wala na.
Alam ko meron po sa store. Nandun po.
Postcard. Kasi talaga may mga stamp pa.
Yun lang po ang hindi ko sure kung meron pa. Ito, pwede mo gamitin tong trial, tong paper ko before ka maglaro sa ano mo. Tapos pwede mo na rin to gamitin tong akin. Wow! Tignan natin kung gagana.
Tignan natin kung dear. Dear.
Meron din po akong art class before na ano eh. Yung pinapagawa ko naman po sa kanila. Pipaintingan nila yung
ang ganda niyan.
ganito po yung itsura niya.
Now, can I?
Kali, this is the ano? This is the bone of ano? This is the bone of the
Yan po, ganyan.
leaf. Ito yung maging fossilized. Ito yung midrib niya.
So, can I do it?
Yeah.
I have to use this brush.
Pero when you fill it up like this after look at this is my pattern, right?
Yeah.
You're done? Let me see first. Balikan ko po siya after na.
Wow.
Wow.
Nag-try on nyo.
I'll try.
Sige.
Can I see?
Kailangan mong damihan. Wow, ang ganda li. Kuha talaga yung mga veins ng ano, yes. Ng ano, bougainvillea na leaf. Galing. Excited ako lagyan mo na. Can you use the phone? I really test you. Huh? Just your design na, dear.
Oh, it's mine.
Papel mo. Dito mo na lang. Dito mo na lang. Dito mo na lang.
Oh, wait, I will try.
Dito ka sa akin.
Oh, she said I will do it at my. I'll put it there or here.
Ito na lang.
Here?
Ito na lang.
Do you know how to draw square? How about
Stamp. Sige, go.
tapos na po siya sa leave niya, no?
Ito pa. Ayun, ito pa.
Okay na pa.
Yeah, we got it.
Oh, galing yan. Ano to, post natin sa bahay. Okay. Ready na? Wow! Lubas talaga yung ano, oh. Tingnan mo. Ang backbone. How about the, how about ito na, excited ako. Pero parang bababa siya. Sige, lagyan mo muna ng color.
Andito na pa. Flower. I'll take a flower now.
So, stamp art. Ginagawa niya ngayon sa stamp art.
Would you like this one?
Mura na yun.
Can you give me? Like, can you give me blue?
Blue.
I not blue.
Is it working, Kali?
Yeah. Yeah.
You show me your finished products later, ha?
Okay. Can you give me my green?
Green. Dark green or light green?
Dark green. Open
Close
it,
na to.
please.
Close na.
Because these two colors.
Wow.
I'm gonna try.
Kali,
I'm
oo.
just trying. My first time.
Ay, sapat. Bakit ang pat mo nagalaw? Parang naging snake ka naman. Scared of you. Ay, parang close na ka. Second beer. Uy, labas na tayo. Ay, pinasok mo.
What's happening in the window?
Wow, dear. Patingin ako, dear. So, kung tatlo pink na yan, di ba? Ang pink, ang light pink. Galing siya sa red to
Dark
white.
purple.
So, i-green. Ay, yun ang same na ginagawa mo. Yes. Kasi ang pink, galing siya sa white and red.
Can you get some white?
Ito na lang lahat na nabili natin. Tama talaga, tay.
Can you open it? And where's my...
I-hide mo muna. Ililinis mo muna siya kasi
Hindi, nalinis ko na.
hindi masasabi mo yun, oh.
Yan. The final. This is the one that I made. This is the one that I made. Now I'm going to press it. 3, 2, 3, 2. After I press it, I have to take it off.
Wow! Oh! Ito talagang real. Patingin. Ay, wow. Ay, mas lalong gumanda ito. Mas lalong siyang gumanda. Wow! Para siya naging rose, no?
Now I'm going to mix this
Wait.
one. I mix it na.
Tapos na. Mas parang ito yun. Yan.
I want to mix it for all the colors will be green. And I'm going to make another one by using this. But I'm going to make 3. It's going to make 3 times 3 equals 3 times 3.
Cross line. Again.
3 times 3 equals 9. So I'm not going to make it not really two. To do like
Fern.
no, wait.
I-cover ko na to. Ay, wait lang. Wait, fern na lang. Fern na
Wait
lang.
lang, wait lang.
Wow, design ka pang malalaman, dear. Galing, dear. Pang dandelion.
Yan patulong mo ba?
Galing, dear.
Nakita ko sa baba.
Wow! Gusto ko mag-king talaga siya.
Kaya ba ito mo? Ha? Wala. Matanggal ba rin?
Wow! Galing, no? Ginawa lang nila yung box na may design. Anong nangyari sa nadapa ka?
The rock. But I sacrificed myself for this. For this sacrifice me. Now I just need the
Ano color?
I need blue. Blue and
Blue.
blue and there.
Wow. Ito ay leaf. Ang nandun, no?
Now I need green.
Dark green.
I like green. Kanina may blood yun. Ang bubo ko.
Kanina?
Because I'm getting it so bad. I'm getting it that I accidentally trip at the rock.
Okay.
And it's almost my forehead that is doing it. Now we need green.
Sipon mo muna, dear. Dalawa na, dear. Blue and green. So, pa naging blue-green siya?
Yeah?
Ah, galing mo naman, dear.
Okay, I'll go around again.
Dapat dark. Mas deeper mo pa siya.
I'm gonna try.
Sige.
And done? No. Is it hard? Okay.
Ay, hindi mo na siya. Hindi mo na siya ma-change. Hindi mo na siya ma-change.
Ate Steffi, sa Saturday ba, pwede ba itong place na to parang rent out
For,
separate sapa?
I think pwede mo kausapin si Sir Merrick. Si Motherhood. Si Motherhood hunain mo.
Kasi, yung plano ko kasi di ba pupunta si mama dito? Graduation. May mom.
I think so. Madaming, unahan mo na si Mami kasi madaming gagamit mo to. Madaming gustong gagawin dito.
Kasi, kapag mag-sermon siya, ever magkano ba rent dito usually?
Yun lang, hindi ko sure kaya Sir Merrick.
But I can use that later.
Ngayon na,
Ako
ngayon na.
naman to, grabe.
Ano mo siya?
Sige,
Magpahingi
sige.
ka rin ng discount.
Pwede na, wala na tuloy. Wala kasi, oh. Later na. Okay, so I think,
Next time punta tayo ng ano, ng Ilog Maria, Rock Maria.
I'll make you...
Another one, gawa ka na nun.
last one.
Ay, parang gustong-gusto mo ang ginagawa mo, ha?
At saka maganda parang kami yung first,
Na?
yung parang isa, kasi yung gusto sana namin for like mesa,
Okay.
ang separate sapa.
Madami kasi nagsiseparate Sabat dito talaga, kaya unahan mo.
Sige, sabihan ko na si ma'am. Sa 21 ng March pa naman din.
Oo, at least maaga ka para nakaset ka na kasi marami talaga. Pag Sabat, dito kumakain, kumakain lang.
Message ko si ma'am mamaya. Saka si Sir Mary.
Wow, Kali, observe mo. Wow.
And this white.
May pagka-independent po pala si Zoe, no?
Kasi siya lang yung isa. Tapos kami ng dalawa. So, malaki na yung mga tao kasama.
Gusto niya na iiwan mo na siya. Tapos saka mo siya i-correct kapag ready na siya.
Hindi po siya.
Meron kasama yan? Part talaga siya? Wait.
Pag gumamit ka ng white, di makikita yan.
Minimix niya sa ibang color.
Galing nga.
Green.
Ang ganda nito. Dapat na reproduce niya yan, no? Pwede niya nga po i-scan yan eh.
Ay, yan ginagawa ko po.
Ayan.
Oo.
Tapos pwede niya na po yung, kaso nga lang po that mag-believe po siya ng konting spaces. Para makakat.
I'm going to use this green. And this green. Now I'm going to use
Ano sa
Ano yan?
ano?
6. Pakataalas ka na. Ano ba yun? Kanina ka na.
Ano sa anong flag?
Sige. Kasi sa 5, ano yung thesis nila, ano naman, nila Bea. Gagawin yung
Tulungan mo sila?
sa thesis nila.
Saan na yung interview dito?
Dito. Ikaw ba interviewin ka din?
Ano? Bukas na kami mag-i-interview eh. Pupunta kami sa ano?
Ay?
Done.
Bukas?
Pupunta kami sa ano? picture ng mga gym.
Ah, oo nga, yung artwork mo pala.
Standard.
Wow.
Kailangan po talaga yung dark.
Tingnan
Para
mo
mag-ano.
Yeah, I want it.
Pero at least, oh,
And then?
ang fern mo, nagawa siya ng labas. Diba?
Dito sa baba, mag-sign ka din, no?
Yes!
Tsaka yung date mo today.
February.
Or you can play with this, clay if you want to bring it home. Or you have your own.
I don't know.
Oh, you bring this one first.
You have plenty of glue in the hole.
There?
Ito, diba? Ito ilagay natin to.
Lagay mo din para...
Para maging memory.
Actually, may tape po ako. If
Sige
ever
po,
you
hingi
want.
po kami ng tape. Para, you know,
Pero you sign it under. Kasi you're going to place the, here. Maybe here.
ito ang ginamit mo na mga charin-charinas.
Call me, Zoe, when you're comfortable na. Ha? Call me. Okay. Yun nga lang po, wala akong gunting. Or I have cutter din po pala. Sige, ito na lang. Ito po.
Tatay, dito na lang. 11. 1, 1. Feb 11. 20.
Smile muna, babe. Smile. Okay, smile tata. Smile tata kami. 1, 2, 3, smile. Tingin ka sa akin. Yay!
Okay. Tapos po yung artwork po niya, i-prepare mo na. Yun. Is that a flute?
Yeah.
You also play flute?
Yeah, but I don't know.
May song ka nang alam? Hindi pa. Can I see? Balikan ko po kayo.
You have the flowers. You don't have flowers. You will give me.
Kali, picture dito.